And if a physical probe is used, then it is called scanning and probe microscope. In scanning and probe microscope, it uses a nanoscale calibration to get information of a given sample surface. Light microscope. Light microscope uses light energy and lenses to magnify a given specimen. Types of light microscope such as simple light microscope, 2 compound light microscope, 3 bright field microscope, 4 dark field microscope, 5 phase contrast microscope, 6 fluorescence microscope, and confocal microscope.